Today we will be showing you how to install the RVLock Axis Latch Extender. Begin by measuring 17 inches down, directly from the center of your exterior paddle. Use this as a reference point to prep your installation area. Then, attach several pieces of painter's tape to assist in your measurements. Again, from the center of your paddle, measure and mark 17 inches down from the center of your paddle. For your second measurement, measure from the edge of your trim or door to the edge of your interior paddle. Write down this measurement for reference. Subtract 3/4 of an inch from your second measurement. This will be the intercept point for your first measurement. Mark your amended second measurement accordingly. To ensure accuracy, make a second mark approximately 2 inches above your intercept. Now, take your exterior bracket and align the right hand and bottom edges with your measurements. Trace the 3 mounting points within the exterior bracket. Open your door and ensure your screen door is detached from the exterior door. Very carefully and with accuracy, use a 1/4 inch drill bit to drill the mounting bracket holes. Maintain a level drill during the entire process. Once complete, remove the painter's tape and move on to preparing the Axis Latch Extender for installation. The exterior bracket will attach to the bottom pivot point of the axis. Begin by inserting your smaller hex screw into the bottom of the axis. Then, slide a washer over the screw. Your exterior bracket has 2 mounting points. Use the one closest to the 90-degree bend when attaching the axis to the RVLock compact or mechanical handle. For all other applications, use the mounting hole furthest from the 90-degree bend in the bracket. Attach your bracket and slide a second washer below. Secure with the provided locking nut and tool. Do not tighten all the way. For the axis to work properly, there needs to be minor slack. Next, attach the rubber sealing gasket to the back of the exterior bracket. Then, thread the 3 long bolts through the bracket. With the axis now prepared for installation, slide the 3 bolts loosely into the pre-drilled holes. Then, loosely attach the top of the axis to your paddle using the provided Allen tool. Verify that all the bolts are flush with the bracket. On the back of your door, guide the 3 bolts through the interior mounting bracket. Secure using the included wrench. Finish securely tightening the set screw to the paddle of the handle. Verify that the mechanics of your axis and door are working properly. To program your keypad, remove the battery pull tab. The default code for your keypad is 1234. Hold the 0 followed by the lion button, then release at the same time. Enter your old code followed by pressing the lock or lion button. Now, enter your new code followed by lock. Once more, enter your new code followed by lock. Your keypad will emit a long beep to confirm it has accepted the new code. To lock your handle, simply hold the lion button. To unlock your handle, enter your passcode. There is no need to hit the lion button after entering your code. To sync your keypad with your handle, press the Fob Learn button on the back of your handle, and then press the lion button on the Axis keypad. Congratulations on successfully installing your Axis Keyless Latch Extender. We hope you enjoy the security and convenience of RVLock. See you on the road.